Hello friends, I welcome you all once again in my YouTube channel English Language and Literature. Today I am going to start a new series of lectures related to fiction and types of fiction. In this lecture we will only study types of fiction in surface, but in coming lectures inshallah we will study in full detail the types of fiction such as short stories, novels and novellas. So let's start from the fiction. The word fiction has been derived from Latin word fictio, which means to form. A work of fiction is created in the imagination of its author. The author invents the story and makes up the characters, the plot or storyline, the dialogue, and sometimes even the setting. A fictional work does not claim to tell a true story. Instead, it immerses us in experiences that we may never have in real life, introduces us to types of people we may never visit in any other way. Fiction can inspire us in new ideas, it can help us see ourselves and our world in new and interesting ways. Fiction may be based on stories or actual historical events. Although fictional settings in stories and novels, they may have some resemblance to real life events and characters. Writers alter their characters very skillfully when they take them from actual life. Here are some examples of fiction in literature that I am going to tell you about. Number 1 is Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Number 2 is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Number 6 fictional work of literature is Hamlet by William Shakespeare. Now discussing about the types of fiction. There are three main types of fiction: the short story, the novella and the novel. Let's explore each of these. Number 1, short story. A short story is a work of prose fiction that can be read in one setting, usually between 30 minutes to an hour or 2 hours. Number second type of fiction is novella. A novella is a written fictional prose narrative longer than a short story and shorter than a novel. Number third and the last type of fiction is novel. A novel is a long narrative work of fiction with some realism. It is often in prose form and is published as a single book. So friends, these were the types of fiction that I have shared with you. In next lectures we will study them in deep, such as precursors of novel and the rise of the novel, elements of novel, short stories, their elements and many more we will study in deep